Start strong with Engine Insight. Welcome back to Engine Insight. I'm Michael Reed. I've spent more than 20 years tearing down engines, testing vehicles inside manufacturer R&D labs, and advising dealerships on what actually survives real-world miles. Today, I'm showing you why the Toyota RAV4 didn't just become a bestseller. It quietly out-engineered almost every SUV in its class. And one hidden decision inside its drivetrain changed the entire market. Most people have never heard of it. The RAV4 didn't win because it's flashy or powerful. It won because Toyota built one part of this SUV to survive conditions most drivers will never face. And that single choice is the reason competitors lose value while the RAV4 climbs. But here's the strange part. Toyota never advertises this feature, and it's responsible for millions of repeat buyers. Before we go deeper, if you want real testing, real data, and no marketing fluff, subscribing helps you stay ahead of the crowd. Now let's break this down. Reason 1, reliability proven by lab analysis. People always say the RAV4 is reliable, but most don't understand why. Toyota's 2.5-liter dynamic force engine consistently shows low wear metals in long-term oil analysis from labs like Blackstone. That means the engine isn't grinding itself down at high mileage. Consumer Reports also ranks the RAV4 near the top for long-term dependability year after year. And what we found in lab oil analysis surprised even experienced technicians, because the wear pattern doesn't match typical engines in this class. Even the hybrid system holds up well. Toyota's e-CVT doesn't rely on friction belts, so it avoids the overheating and slip issues seen in many competing hybrids. Reason 2, predictably low running cost. RepairPal reports the RAV4 costs about $429 per year to maintain, which beats most compact SUVs, but the real advantage is fewer unplanned failures. Toyota avoided turbochargers on most trims, which means no turbo oil leaks, no boost-related failures, and no carbon buildup issues that plague many rivals after 80,000 miles. This predictable ownership is why the RAV4 works for families, fleets, and long-distance drivers the same way. Reason 3, resale value that beats the segment. Kelley Blue Book consistently ranks the RAV4 among the top vehicles for resale, and that's not hype. Used market data shows high demand even for models with 150,000 miles. But the real twist is what happens after 100,000 miles. This is where most SUVs fall apart, and the RAV4 does something completely different. Toyota engines keep compression stable, hybrid batteries age slowly, and the drivetrains stay smooth. That's why auctions push RAV4 prices up and why private buyers trust them over most competitors. Reason 4, safety and structural strength. Toyota invests heavily in structure, not just software. The RAV4 consistently scores strong results with the IHS, especially in the small overlap crash test. AAA's independent evaluations also found Toyota's adaptive cruise and lane-keeping features more consistent than several premium brands. Toyota's sensor stability and camera calibration play a bigger role here than people realize. Reason 5, hybrid efficiency that competitors can't match the RAV4. Hybrid delivers 38 to 41 miles per gallon in real-world driving, backed by thousands of owner reports. Its electric motors eliminate low RPM lag, and Toyota's battery management system reduces heat stress, which is why hybrid battery failures remain rare even after years of highway use. This is the model that wins globally, dependable, efficient, and durable. Reason 6, engineered for global abuse. Now here's the part Toyota never emphasizes in ads, but engineers talk about constantly. And this next part explains why the RAV4 sells in extreme climates, where other SUVs can't even stay on the road. The RAV4 is designed for markets with extreme heat, off-road conditions, rough roads, cold winters, and long-distance wear. The cooling system, suspension geometry, and powertrain tuning aren't built only for the US. They're built for Africa, the Middle East, Canada, Australia, and Asia. Most compact SUVs are engineered only for suburban driving. The RAV4 is built for global punishment. Final takeaway. The Toyota RAV4 doesn't dominate because it's trendy. It dominates because it's consistently strong where it matters most: reliability, running costs, safety, hybrid performance, value retention, and global durability. It has no major weak points, and buyers know exactly what they're getting. If you want a full teardown episode on the RAV4's dynamic force engine, or a deep dive into hybrid battery aging using real lab data, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Engine Insight. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.